guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm playing Get Which Animal Hospital Character Are You? It's like a quiz technically. Animal Hospital quiz. Eli's with me too, but he's not playing the game.
Yeah, because
he doesn't have internet. Okay. Which emotion feels most like you? Excitement. I'm always energized. I say calm, focus, or move. Calm, focus. How do you act in a critical situation? I stay calm and take control. I follow rules. I focus. I try my best. How about your friend describe you? Loud and full of energy. What do you do when you're stressed? Hide away and keep to myself. I keep busy helping others. I break the problem down logically. Ask someone for help. Animals, how do you make decisions? Call me after really fast. I go with my gut. How's your ideal way to spend time? Well, actually, watching people, staying unseen. 2 seconds, guys. My grandfather.
میدونیم که امروز ساعت چند فوتبال داره.
برای اینکه سپر باشه در مقابل بحران.
قصه‌اش
از کجا شروع میشه؟ سال 1973 جنگ اعراب و اسرائیل اتفاق میفته. یک تنش نفتی شوک نفتی به اقتصاد آمریکایی میشن فکر
Okay, so
کشورهای عربی تصمیم میگیرن صادرات نفتشون رو به این سری کشورها
کی بپرسن
محدود کنن، اویل ایمبارگو به اصطلاح
میشه پیدا کرد
اعمال کردن بدون شوکی اعمال شد و 1975 قانونش رو می‌نویسن.
okay, sorry. How do you handle someone who annoys you?
and you know this?
I keep an eye on them. What are you like around new people? Outgoing, I love meeting people.
You know
Shy
this?
and a bit
In Animal
nervous.
Hospital.
Shy
You
and
know
a bit
this?
nervous.
You know?
What's your biggest strength? I always know the facts. I stay calm under pressure.
No,
I never
when
miss
we
a
want to
detail.
When
I'm
we
missing.
want to go for the pen, we just pick up this.
I never miss a detail. What's your biggest flaw? I have 0. Too patient, paranoid. I hate who I really am. I'm paranoid. How do you react to danger? I stay calm and think directly.
I'm training to walk people on the skin.
What
On this
matters most to you? Knowing the truth. How do you deal when they retreat and they recover alone? Yeah, I'm that. What's your first instinct in a crisis? Take charge and steady everyone. Figure out what's really happening. Do whatever gets fast results. How do you show your care? By taking care, by trying their hardest for them. What kind of person do you trust? Almost no one, honestly.
Why does
Ambulance. Sit up intake. Okay, let me just pill or I will reject it, of course. Reject run from accounting. I hate run from accounting. Except the Missa Cat. Oh, reject it. Of course, reject dog. Oh, patient dog. I hate that. News Bunny. I like News Bunny. That's cool. Oh, Clover is bad. I have 43 sanity. Amazing. How do you feel the attention? I love it. Put me on stage. What's your approach to rules? Follow to the letter. Rules don't apply of me. How do you handle fear? I stay calm and push forward. What do you need? Do people notice about you first? Honestly, not much. I blend in. How do you spend a night off? Ilyasai. Pick one of these four.
Me?
Yeah.
I don't know.
No, excellent.
Is not timing?
Pick one. Just pick one.
So we're quite safe.
Someone going to say. You too. What's your role in a group? Eager, one still learning. How do you react when you're doubted? I make them regret. What are you? Deep down, someone who holds it all together. Thanks. I would love to spend that 6 Robux on Skip. I have 8 Robux. I am intern. I hate you. No,
Wait, you guys were scary.
That intern is actually really
That's the
scary,
player?
terrifying. Yeah. Okay. Earnest, nervous, and trying your absolute best. You're new here, still learning which doors to open and which to leave shut. You second guess yourself constantly, but never stop showing up. You want to do right by everyone. Even when you're shaking a little bit, every shift teaches you something, and you're getting braver. The rookie you gave it everything and made it to morning. Bye. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any more AFK Game videos. Bye.